Hello everyone, Lily here, and welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to teach you how to unlock your TikTok account, and I'll also explain why it was locked in the first place. So without further ado, let's get started right away. So let's go ahead and open up our TikTok app over here and then tap on your profile icon over here and then tap on the three lines at the very top right here and then go to your settings and privacy. When your account is suspended, you might be unable to do this step. So you will need to go to the TikTok website using your browser. Now let's continue this. So, while you're on this screen, scroll down a little bit and click Report a Problem. So, whenever your account is locked and you just want to report the problem, you can select Account and Profile under Topics, and then Log in. And then go ahead and click on Suspended Accounts, which is the third option. So this says TikTok is committed to maintaining a safe and positive in-app experience and reserves the right to suspend, aka lock, accounts that violate our community guidelines. So over here it says, is your problem resolved? You can select, no, and then tap, need more help. And now you can explain why your account should just be unlocked over here. Basically, if TikTok locks an account, there really is no option for you to unlock it yourself. It has to be reviewed and unlocked by someone at TikTok. For example, in this case, you could have broken the community guidelines, which is why your account was suspended in the first place. You might go through this process and report it as an issue. So you just might have done stuff you shouldn't have, or if there's a mistake, simply enter it all here and press report. So they will reach out to you and hopefully unlock your account after this. I hope this video was useful to you guys. If it did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more quick and easy tutorials like this one. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and have a good day.